Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to find WhatsApp backup data on Google Drive. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing you have to do is make sure you have enabled WhatsApp backup to Google Drive. Now you have to open Google Drive on your computer or phone. You must sign in with the same Google account that you use for backing up your WhatsApp data. In the left sidebar, click on the three lines you see. Now scroll down to the backups section. You will see a list of the backups that you have created, including WhatsApp backup. The most recent backup will be listed at the top. To view the details of a backup, click on it. You will see the date and time of the backup, the size of the backup, and the Google account that is associated with. To delete a backup, click on the three dots next to the backup and select delete. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.